Hi, I'm Evie Ann. I'm one of your child life specialists, and Captain and I wanted to be with you today, and so we're going to take you on an exploration. We're on a little adventure today. We're exploring the woods. This is Captain. Captain's exploring it with his nose, but he likes to smell a lot of things, and I'm looking with my eyes. I don't think I've ever seen anything like this out in the woods before. This tree is really, really big. What do you think this is? I'm pretty curious about it because I haven't seen it before. When Captain and I go out in the woods, we like to walk in nature. Sometimes we go by the water, and sometimes we like to explore trees. Come here, Cappy. This tree is really, really big. You can come a little closer and look at it. Captain's going inside it. I just like how the way the trees feel, and sometimes I even give them a hug. Because they are alive, you know. And it is a beautiful day. Can you look up there? What a beautiful, beautiful day it is. And I'm glad we're together out here in the woods, exploring. Think about the things that you're interested in the woods. Are you interested in what animals are here? Are you interested in what kinds of things are growing here? Hey, Captain, look at this. Wow. This is a huge oak tree. I wonder how old it is. I can't even put my arms around it. Look at all the branches way up there. I'm very curious on how old this is. And if you look at the ground and the branches, I'm always wondering how long those roots are. Because these huge roots go down into the earth. And they spread really, really far. It's amazing. It's still kind of hard because we're still coming out of winter. These are leeks. And these leeks are just starting to grow. Beautiful. Cappy and I just came across an ironwood tree. And the ironwood tree, if you notice, I can put my arms around an ironwood tree, but it takes a long, long, long time for ironwood trees to grow. Take care, Trina. Look what I found over here. Hey, Cappy. This is so, so soft to touch. This is moss. It's amazingly soft. And moss takes a long time to grow. This is a big, big section of moss. I love to explore nature when I'm thinking of my senses. Cappy explores nature a lot with his nose. He smells everything. I like to explore things with my hands when I'm touching the bark and when I'm feeling this moss. And I also really like using my eyes in everything that I see. Sometimes when I use my ears and I'm listening, I love hearing the birds. I can faintly hear a bird right now. But sometimes in the morning they're really loud. Wow. This is a balsam tree. I hear that these leaves, if you make pillows out of them, It's the softest pillow you'd ever come across. I've never done that, but I've heard that. How old do you think this tree is? I think this tree is well over 200 years old. 200 years. When I stretch my arms around it, I can't even get halfway around. 200 years. You know, today on this walk, it's Earth Day. And when I woke up this morning, I was thinking about Earth Day and how we celebrate it on one day. And when I was thinking about that, my heart decided that I was going to try to celebrate Earth Day every day. Because Earth is such a special home to us. Whether you're inside and you can't be out in nature, or whether you're outside and you can explore nature, you can still care about the earth in a lot of ways. And I'm glad you're here with me today, enjoying this balsam tree. An amazing place to explore. So we'll keep exploring it together. Thanks for joining me. Bye.